Yeah, Gordon, it's pretty bad when you have to scrape outside and inside the windshield, as was the case yesterday. But at least today we're catching a break from that. Quick shot of Lake Erie. This came in a couple days ago from a visible satellite picture, and this is always interesting to look at to see the extent of ice cover, and pretty much iced over now. There still seems to be, though, a patch of some open water, especially just to the south of Long Point here. It's kind of tough to see, but at least the far eastern end of the lake pretty much icing over now. In fact, pretty thick the closer you get to Buffalo. But this is being obscured by some cloud cover, but still a little bit of open water here. Will be interesting to see if that finally closes up, at least with the colder weather persisting, especially into next week. As we take a look at 4-1 Doppler this morning, radar is picking up a little bit of precip. This is really nuisance type stuff. No big storms around, but this may produce at least a little bit of a glaze on untreated surfaces this morning because we're catching a little bit of patchy freezing drizzle in this stuff, even though the radar is colorizing it as snow. I caught a few snowflakes coming down too as I drove into work this morning. The current reports from the airport locations across the area. We're getting a little bit of light snow at the Buffalo Airport. That's what that -SN means. There is some FZDZ. That's freezing drizzle and snow at Rochester. The FZRA down here at Dunkirk means light freezing rain. The BR, by the way, is the French word for light fog, and that's the abbreviation, the BR. As we take a look at your weather for today around the city and the surrounding suburbs, well, I put down snowflakes here, but, you know, it's going to be hit or miss type stuff. Maybe perhaps a few light snow showers. Nothing big going on today. The temperature's actually edging up to slightly above freezing by the noon hour and continuing that way for the afternoon, and there may be a little bit of patchy freezing drizzle in the mix, especially early today. Super microcast painting some precip over the area today. This is nuisance type stuff, just kind of a nuisance. As we get into the nighttime, cloudy skies still prevail, chance of some patchy freezing drizzle, and then as we get into Wednesday, a pretty quiet day shaping up. I don't think there's going to be much going on around here tomorrow. Clouds, maybe some breaks, some scattered snow showers are back in the picture for Thursday. The temperature's a little bit more moderate here for the next several days heading toward the weekend. A chance of a snow shower on most of the roadways this morning, maybe some patchy freezing drizzle as well. Nothing big going on. 30 degrees at Buffalo and Niagara Falls, 23 at Wellsville, and 27 down there at Bradford. Let's check out your forecast. Mostly cloudy skies on tap today. Chance of a few snow showers, maybe some patchy freezing drizzle, and the highs 29 to 33 degrees. For the overnight, chance of some patchy freezing drizzle, mostly cloudy down to 16 to 21. Tomorrow, looking ahead to clouds, some breaks, 28 to 32. And then on Thursday, mostly cloudy, scattered snow showers, 23 to 28 degrees. Extended forecast here as we get toward the tail end of the week. Not much of a change for Friday or Saturday. More widespread snow on Sunday. We'll tug on some colder air, drop our temp down to 18 by Monday.